Hello people, welcome in my second part of Lockdown's effect. In this video, we will talk about economic slowdown due to coronavirus lockdown. We all know that India's economic growth was already slow, and due to coronavirus lockdown, its speed is becoming very slow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 25 implemented a nationwide lockdown to control the spread of coronavirus. It has been extended 3 times in 4th stage, which is going to end on 31st May. The first phase of lockdown affects low-income households, daily wage earners, or we can say unorganized sector of our country, and they affect half of our country's GDP. So this is the beginning of economic recession. The second phase, or we can say the first 2 rounds of coronavirus outbreak, have wiped out 52 lakh crore of equity investors assessed, while the Sensex and Nifty are on the multi-year loss after falling 35% from their January peak. The impact of the third round is likely to increase as these shocks transmit to the rest of the economy, which means corporates are facing downward lines. Weak firms faced cash flow shortage and workers faced wage cuts or layoffs. This created a vicious cycle of low corporates, capex and weak consumer demand. If a worker earns less money than the same worker as a consumer, how can buy anything more than his needs? So we can see weak consumer demand here. Foreign brokerage Morgan Stanley has cut India's Inc.'s earning for the third time after the outbreak of the virus. A note issued on March 23 stated our Sensex growth estimates are down 20% since mid-February. But in the later stages of lockdown, the restrictions have been gradually reduced as the government attempts to normalize economic activities. In the current fourth phase, states have the autonomy to decide on delimitation of areas in red, orange and green areas based on the intensity of the outbreak, while the response to the government's cumulative policy has led to a total of 20 lakh crore of incentive announcements. It accounts for 10% of GDP and includes a range of support measures that provide relief to rural households and small businesses. And if you want to know about fourth phase of lockdown, then please watch my previous video. You can get vivid details about fourth phase. As we know, parameter to decide economy is GDP and PPP. Let me first describe you the meaning of nominal GDP and PPP. Nominal gross domestic product GDP is the GDP at current price with inflation, and PPP purchasing power parity is the GDP that is converted into international dollars using the purchasing power parity rate. Our country, India rank of nominal GDP is 5th in the rank in 2019 and PPP rank is 3rd in 2020. This year, India's growth rate was estimated to be around 3.5%. But International Monetary Fund IMF said that economic condition of India will grow by 1.9%. After 1991, India will grow at such a low speed for the first time. In 1991, India had a GDP of 58,62,000 crores, whereas today India's GDP is 200 lakh crores. So, the coronavirus lockdown has severely affected the economic situation, as we can see above. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.